Okay. Good evening. And my name is Wang Luo, and my magic number is 251230. And today I will present my real data system. I developed a small system using Maven and the Java programming language. The system can read data from a GitHub issue page and also can read data from a GitHub wiki page. Specifically, at first I added the org.gsop and org.apt dependency in my Maven file. And secondly, I create 9 methods in my system class to finish the process of read data. These 9 methods separately called getContent by JSON, getDiv by JSON, getLink by JSON, getMetricNumber by JSON, getName by JSON, getTable by JSON, TableList, getDifferent, and SafeExcel. At first, I will import java.io file and java util and org.gsop and the org.apt. For my first method, getContent by JSON, this method will require HTML content from GitHub. And for my first method, getContent by JSON, at first I create a new string content, and then I use document doc to use JSON connect with our URL, and then I set their data, their use agent, their cookie, their timeout, and their get. So then this method meant to require the HTML content from GitHub. For my second method, at first I create a new string div content. This div content to get the class content, and then I set a new document doc to get the JSON parsed content. And this method meant to get the div content. For my third method, the getLink by JSON, this method meant to collect user link from GitHub comments. And after we open the link, and we can click the check resources code, we can clearly see the resource code about this website. So for the elements, we can get elements by class dblock common body, and then for the user link, we can through the get method by class by tag a to get the user link, and the last return, and then we put the user link in the linked list, and at last we return the linked list. For the fourth method, the getName by JSON, this method almost just like the third method, but for name, we create one more pattern to get every username, because some people writing formats are different. So I set 6 different regular expressions to compile. At last, we store every name into the name list. For the fifth method, the getMetricNumber by JSON, and this method are also almost just like the third and the fourth method, but for the metric number, I use the different compile regular expression to get everyone's metric number, and at last I also put the metric number into the metric list. And for the sixth method is the getTable by JSON. This method is meant to get the HTML context from another page, another website, the list of students. For the seventh method is the table list. We collect the user metric number from this list of the student table. And for my eighth method, the get different. This method we compare whether all the metric number in the first list are also contained in the second list. If there is, it means that the person have submitted the GitHub account. If not, it means that the person have not submitted the GitHub account. And for our next method is the save Excel. This method meant to save all the dataset into the Excel file. After we run the system, we can get the result. So we can clearly see these people have not submitted the GitHub account, and these people have submitted the GitHub account. And then we can open the Excel file, and for the Excel file we can see the information about these people who have submitted the GitHub account. We can clearly see their metric number, their name, and their GitHub link. So for my UML class diagram, because this system have 10 different methods. So for the first class is the Maven, the second class is the get content by JSON, and the third class is the get div content by JSON, and the fourth class is the get link by JSON, and the fifth class is the get metric number by JSON, and the sixth class is the get name by JSON, and the seventh class is the get table by JSON, and the eight is the table list, and 9 is the get different, and the last is the save Excel. So that is my UML class diagram, and this method are association. For the GitHub, I quit at first. I quit this repository, and firstly we create a new folder. It's named the images to save the result image, output image, and the UML class diagram page images into this folder. And another folder is the code. We put our Java code in this folder. For this file, we just only need to create a new file, and then we name our code Java, and then we copy our resources code into this file. At last, we commit the new file so that we can get the assignment code to Java. That's all. Thank you.